watching my both side mirrors. Now I can signal as well, keep proper left lane. Light is turned red, center mirror, cover brake, cancel signal. Reverse gear, quick check my reference point. I can see back edge of the car, so I will do half turn, quick all round observation. I can see a signboard, I can see parked cars. Now this lane is splitting into two lanes and there are parked cars on the left lane, so I can safely move to the right lane. You can use signal or you can go without signal, but you must check mirrors. Now I will stay in this lane. I will not move left because I'm turning right from second set of traffic light. I can see there is a yellow box, so I will make sure there is enough room. My exit is clear from the yellow box before I enter. Now exit is clear, so I can enter. Next light is red. Be ready to stop. I can use signal now or I can use signal when light change again, because when I'm stopped here, signal will not help anyone. And where I'm turning, that's dual carriageway. I can see that sign. Always look at the new road where you're turning, so you know what type of road is that. So now dual carriageway means there will be two lanes, so I will go straight to the left lane. It's safe, so I'm increasing speed. I noticed a parked vehicles on the left lane, so I'm planning to change lane. It's safe. Now the left lane is getting clear. I will signal now. Do not delay signal, so you can move straightway to the left as soon as you overtake lost parked vehicles. I can see road is getting narrow, which means lanes are merging. So I will watch right mirror. I can use signal and merge safely. There are a couple of potholes, so I'm driving a little bit away from the left. Now left side is clear, no potholes, so come back to normal position. Next roundabout, I'm going left first exit. I notice a zebra crossing on the exit. It's safe. Now I will look for pedestrian. No one around. Signal cancel. Parked car, so I will stay a little bit close to the center line so I can keep good clearance from parked cars. Now I'm going ahead from the roundabout, second exit. So I will choose middle lane. I will wait for this black car, white car. After the white car, no one is nearby. There is one actually. So as soon as I will enter, I will go to the center lane because I am in center lane, and then I will move left lane after first exit. Watching my both side mirrors. Now I can signal as well, keep proper left lane. Light is turned red, center mirror, cover brake, cancel signal. Now light change, watching my mirrors. Now there is a filter lane, so I don't need to go to the roundabout. I will use filter lane to take first exit. No need signal. Slightly slow down because it's a bit narrow. Zebra crossing, no one around. Parked car in the left, so plan to change lane. So I'm going right, third exit, and then immediate right. There are a lot of things happening. This keep clear. I will stop here. Now queue is moving, so I can move. This is first, this is second. Now there is another keep clear. Now signal left and keep right and signal right. Because as soon as I exit, I need to turn right, so I will keep right. Now there is another pedestrian crossing here, as soon as you will turn, there will be another zebra crossing. So a lot of things happening. So you need to be super active, no daydreaming. So before I turn right, I will make sure there is a space and no one is waiting for zebra crossing and not leaving enough room for me. Now I have space, no one coming from front, looking for pedestrian, no one around. Keep going. Now I can see parked car on the left and right. I will be ready to stop for any oncoming traffic. No one have priority. They're already there. Now I can enter. Other person can stop for me because he don't have priority, so I don't need to worry about that. Now there is enough room, no need to stop for this BMW. And we are going left from the roundabout first exit. I can see there is a zebra crossing on the exit. Now I will be ready to stop just in case. Nobody's here, so keep moving. Now at the next roundabout, I'm going ahead, fourth exit. There is single lane on the approach. We'll stay in the middle. So if you see, there is a single lane on the approach. We can see there is a wide space, but there is no clear marking. So I will not keep left to go ahead. I will just stay in the middle and follow the circle around and take fourth exit. Like this. 1, 2, 3, mirror signal and take exit. Now let's do parallel parking with this car. I will prepare my car. Quick observation, no one approaching from behind or front. Going next to the car, keeping door length, reverse gear. Quick check my reference point. I can see back edge of the car, so I will do half turn. Quick all round observation. Start going back. A van is approaching, but he can't go anywhere, so he have to wait. Now I can do full lock. Van is waiting, keeping eyes on him. Oh, he's trying to go. I will stop, let him go. And other car is approaching. Now it's clear and I'm almost straight. Now straight wheel and finish. Nice and easy. Don't forget to leave a comment if you want a free lesson. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in the next one.